If you want to connect Claude AI to Google Sheets, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. This is a great setup if you want to bring AI-powered writing, analysis, and productivity into your spreadsheets without wasting time switching between tools. Whether you're organizing data, generating content, or speeding up repetitive tasks, this integration can make Google Sheets much more powerful. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Sheets in your browser and go to the spreadsheet where you want to add Claude AI. Once your sheet is open, look at the top menu and click on Extensions. This is where Google Sheets stores extra tools and add-ons that extend its functionality. From the Extensions menu, click on Add-ons and then choose Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for new tools to install. In the search bar, type Claude and press Enter. If you don't see Claude right away, make sure the spelling is correct and browse through the results carefully. In this tutorial, you'll want to click on WorkGPT, which is the add-on being used for the Claude connection. Once you open it, click Install to start the setup process. Google will now ask you to review the permissions that the add-on needs in order to work with your sheet. Click Continue to move forward. You may see another permission screen, and that is normal. Click Continue again so Google can confirm the connection and prepare the add-on for use. After that, finish the installation by clicking Done. At this point, the add-on is installed in your Google Sheets account and ready to use. To make sure everything is working properly, you can go back to the Extensions menu and look for the add-on there. Once it appears, you'll know the installation was successful. From there, you can start using Claude-powered features inside your spreadsheet depending on what the add-on supports. This can be especially useful for generating text, summarizing information, or automating parts of your workflow. And that's it. You've now connected Claude AI to Google Sheets. It really is that simple when you follow the steps in order. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides, AI tutorials, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.